So actually I am handling the process creating threads. Creating threads, Java creates threads either by extending the thread class or implementing the renewable interface. Both methods help run code in parallel. So what do you mean by extending a thread? Extending a thread is nothing but it's usually refers to continuing a conversation or adding more content to specific topic in a Java program. Okay, for example, job refers to the continuing conversation or adding more content to the specific topic in the Java. Which you have to extend the content. Like extending means continuing one by one, whichever topic you are deciding in the Java program. So for that I will write an example on the board. Let's see. So this is the example for extending the thread. So starting extending the class, my thread extends the thread. Public void main void run. Then afterwards to print system.out.println. This is the thread is running. We have to see whether the thread is running or not. So afterwards my thread, new thread, and then thread start. Thread will start from here. Then it will show in the output that whether your thread is running or not correctly. Second one is implementing runway interface. To create a thread with the runway interface in a class, abstracts a unit of executable code and requires implementing a single method can write. Means in a runway interface method, you have to create a thread which implements the runway interface in a class. This interface abstracts a unit of executable and executable code and requires implementing a single method what run. So the third one is enables run method. Before in the implementing runway interfaces we have saw the run word. So in that run word inside the run method you should define the code that constitutes the new thread. This method can call other methods, means you can call different methods using other classes and declare variables just like main thread it can. So the fourth one is instantiating thread object. After implementing the runway, after adding the word run and implementing thread object, after implementing runway you instantiate an object of type thread without that class. The thread constructor requires an instance of a class that implements a runway name for a thread. You have to give a name for the thread to the runway method so it can execute well and clearly. Then afterwards, starting the thread, the new thread doesn't start running until you call it by after calling it will implement in your program. So the method initiates a call to run effectively, starting the execution of new threads. So now the thread priorities. What are the thread priorities? Thread priorities helps to determine the order in which threads are executed. Threads with higher priorities are more likely to get CPU, control processing unit. Everyone knows that. Time before threads with lower priorities. Priority range means there is a priority range high, low, mid. So mini means mini priority, it's 1, normal priority is 5, and max priority is 10. So high level priority is 10, mini level priority is 1, mid level normal priority is 5. So threads can be assigned values from between 1 to 10. As I told you now, mini, normal, and max. So next one, there are two methods. Actually, join method and isAlign. First is isAlign method and second one is the join method. In the isAlign method checks if the thread is still running or not. Means it will check the program is executably correct or not. It returns